Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Today's video, it's a really special video, so welcome to the video, because we are at a really great place where we have managed to hit 200 5-star reviews on Google. So I'm so pleased, the whole team is so pleased. We've all worked so hard. We all continuously work so hard on like good customer service, customer priority, doing a great job, and it's just, you know, I feel so lucky that so pleased and so proud of the business, you know, that our customers have recognized it and they've given that those excellent reviews. So thank you so much everyone who gave us a great review. I've got a little party lined up. Take a look at this. We got pinatas. Who says that an adult party can't have pinatas? We have a cake, especially made by Danny's wife Mia, so thank you very much Mia for making the cake. It looks delicious, can't wait to try and eat it. We're all on the go at the moment. Actually, lots going on here in the building at the moment to see what's going on. We've got all staff on deck. There's Danny, Matt and Tony washing up the vans, having a good old clean up in the unit, mop the floor. We've got production on the go on the laser, which has just stopped for a moment because we run out of gas. We just had a gas delivery actually, so this pallet here of nitrogen is we've just got a fresh pallet of nitrogen here from the BOC lorries, just arrived, took the old one in, and we're just going to connect that back up to our regulator. We get the extractor fan back on and we get the laser cutting again and get cutting the shields for you guys so you can order them from the website, and all the shields for us to fit onto the vans. So new gas bolts connected up. Let's get the laser back on the go. So that's it. Lasers back on the go in production. I'm just going to have a wander around here, give you a little bit of a tour of what's going on. Trying to step on any of the wet floor after Danny's mopped it or I'll be in trouble. See what we got going on upstairs. So we have some parcels in the process of being packed up there for internet orders from eBay or from Amazon. We've got parts here waiting to be packaged up, production that's come, that's been from the laser, that's been bent, and now it's just waiting to be assembled with the gaskets, with the nuts and the bolts and the washers and so on. We've got Drew up here. He's in charge of doing this stuff. He's sending out all your customer orders. He's putting together
just finished
all the packages.
Time to tidy up now.
And with all the new products I keep developing, like, we're running out of space to put them, so we've just moved a load of stuff from these shelves. We've put some cupboards in the toilets customer toilets downstairs to put all the cleaning and things in. So we've emptied one shelf up here. We've moved a load of other stuff to somewhere else. I don't even know where we put it. We're shoehorning stuff in, and then we're going to arrange a load more of these boxes here on this shelves to give us some additional capacity to stock the additional products which we've been designing and making, and to put them on the shelf so they're ready to be picked ready when you guys are ordering them from the website or from our eBay or from Amazon. Let's see what else we got going on. Beep beep. It's a good tidy up day. There's Beckles, my other half. She's getting the hoover on the go. There's Charlotte. How's it going?
Hi. Yeah, good. Been sorting out the hoover.
Here comes the parcels. So we're all very excited today, aren't we? Because it's a party day.
Review.
I'm going on holiday tomorrow.
And I go on holiday.
We are actually. It's been a few years, so it would be nice to go away for a proper family holiday. But 200 reviews, that's epic. We're so pleased that we've got to that mark, because it's really difficult, isn't it? We want to please everyone. We want to do a good job. Not everything can go right on the day every single time, but I guess it's like, it's what you do about it if things do go wrong, because not that they go wrong very often, but customer service is our priority, isn't it? I don't know why you pointed at Drew when we're talking about things going wrong. Who should we? You don't send out the wrong orders, do you, Drew? No. No, he doesn't. No, he's very good actually.
Comments below.
But it's epic that people have given us those reviews, because we do work so hard, you know. And my priority has always been we're a small team, you know. There's 8 of us. We can't answer the phone or every single inquiry to everyone straight away. You know, that would just be impossible. We don't have the capacity to it. But you know, if there was two options, if there was a phone ringing where there's a customer, like a new inquiry, a new sale for us, and there was another inquiry, another phone ringing where there's a customer of ours, an existing customer that's paid us money, we're taking the priority is the existing customer. You know, if we can't take on the new customer because we don't have time, then, you know, apologies about that, but we didn't take your money yet, so we don't, you know, we obviously want to give you a great service, but we don't owe you anything yet until we've kind of taken your money. But if there is a customer, an existing customer of ours who's got a problem, that's our number one priority, giving our existing customers the service that we want to give them. And then we obviously want to take on the new customers. The website's always open anyway, so that's going. People can order online. We put so much effort into putting product information online so people can find it themselves in your own time, you know, the evening, the night time, the daytime, wherever you guys want to look and find out stuff for your van security. But yeah, we do our best to answer any inquiries here, and we do our best to just please customers as best as we can. You know, we want to give you all a really great service. So party today, 200 reviews, and we're gonna have a party. We're gonna get pizza from Pizza Stop, the best pizza in the whole wide world, I would say. We've got the whole team here today. We got Mantis in today as well. Hey Mantis, how's it going? Here, sit on for a second, back on. He's our IT developer, been with me for 10 years now, Mantis.
Yes.
It's a long time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look, I come across a video yesterday. I saw it of us sitting on the couch in my living room, me, you and Jose.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I have to show you it. You know, we're all looking a lot younger than back then. Is what we are now. But you know, he's our dedicated IT man, and he's the one like that puts so much effort in with us to making sure the website is, you know, as user friendly as possible. You know, that's where the clever stuff comes from Mantis. I have the ideas, but he's the one that he implements it, he does it, and he makes it happen, and it's a real talent. So really pleased, we're really lucky to have that, and it's good to have him over because he doesn't come over very often. He's so good he can work at home. Now we're talking £110 worth of the finest pizza in the world. Charlotte, pizza's here. We're ready. Are you ready to party?
I will be in a minute. I've still got to finish a couple of bits and I'll be with you.
A couple of
Busy
things.
working, you know.
A busy bee. Look at this feast. Feast of champions. Now we have the champions here. Whoop whoop. Well done, team. This is good pizza. You can't beat the Pizza Stop pizza. A nice table full. Good people to eat with. Good people to eat. The family, the Sussex family. We're nearly ready for the big moment. We got the cake. Look at that beauty. Danny's other half, Mia, has done a fantastic job with that cake, hasn't she?
She's done an amazing job.
200.
Delicious.
Right, we ready for this, Danny?
No, you are. What, you need a hand?
Maybe, I don't know.
Should I go there?
Start
Let's see, I think these, because them ones are going to go really like.
Okay. So then, start from the side. Yeah.
I'm a bit worried about them other ones falling over and turn into like big fireworks.
Whoa!
Right, go for it, Danny. Quick. Before we're out. Right, okay, let's have a big celebration. And here's the moment. 200 reviews. Well done, everyone. Congratulations. All of you. And go from pop. Go on, Charlotte. Right, here we go. There's another one. That's it. We should have done these first because it seems like a bit of an anticlimax, doesn't it? A little pop.
These are a little bit quiet, aren't they?
You're on fire.
Yeah, but it's plastic. That was plastic.
You didn't want me to do it, it's probably want you to do it.
You still got no.
There you go.
Good.
I made a wish.
Hey, oh no!
I like your
Yes, well done. We do have one other little team building activity ready to do as well. So I'm gonna need everyone to pair up
Round
in
your
teams of
little
2.
Charlotte!
Who's going with it? Oh, it's got to be Danny and Matt together, isn't it?
I can't imagine. We got this.
Oh, yeah, that's a surprise. He's got such a bromance and such a love with Danny.
Oh, I think.
Two.
Who's got the thing? Oh, how you got Danny still?
I'm happy with any of you.
Also over the 18.
Yes. Here we go.
I was going to bring the kids' seats, but I thought you meant maybe those.
Thank you very much.
What do you want them?
Just in here a little bit. Okay, we got some team activities for you to do here. And no, it's not a kids' party. Danger, danger! Right, don't bang your head on these forks, okay? This is going to be a big mess. So we're going to need to attach these one at a time.
These are very good at smashing stuff up.
A couple of cable ties, I think.
Yeah.
There's some gaffer tape as well here if you need it to hold it from sliding around.
Yeah, good point.
I think that she can see what she's doing too much of these, like, going down there. Needs to get the gaffer tape out or something, stick them down there so she can't see.
Take my face off.
Right, okay, good. Turn around 5 times.
1, 2.
Yeah, it's no good that mark, is it? Yeah, we can go up and down. We could just be rising the forks up and down while we're at it. Are you going to save some whacking for Becky on this as well? No, what's she doing with that? She can't use that. Get rid of that. That's cheating. Give her the real stick.
No, I want to do with this. It's got
No.
This is quite hard though.
it's got metal.
It's alright, she won't hit you.
Go for it.
Oh, where is
I
it?
just imagine you.
Oh, she's cheating.
Okay, where are you?
Don't tap it. Whack it.
Come off though.
Where is it?
Just wait at the side.
I think you need to start whacking more. Yeah, that's it. Oh, he's down, but he's not open. Look, you've got yourself a reward. One.
Wow, yeah, you've got a good swing.
Yeah, she's a dangerous girl. Oh, we're getting some action. Hey, he's down.
It's like the crystal dome.
Woohoo!
Yeah, that's
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We've got team 2 on the go. Better watch out.
Waiting.
Could be dangerous territory here. Bet you're in the danger zone. Oh yeah. Whoa! That thing's gonna get it. He's on the way out, Madness. Right. You've winged him. Right. Switch over and give Matt a go at it, Madness. He's going down. Nice. No, man. Death in one shot. He's been beheaded.
right on the floor.
Hey! Yeah, that blind ain't really foolproof, is it? Oh, look at that! Off with the head! Ah! Watch out! Danger, danger! Hooray! Oh. Hooray! Yeah! Whoa! Shh. I think we need a new whacking stick. He's not the end of the stick off. Get him another stick. Yay! You enjoyed that, Tony, didn't you? I can see you took pleasure in that.
Turn. One more time. Yeah.
Am I facing it?
No. There.
Take a step, maybe a little half a step forward. Yeah, that's it.
I can.
Stop aiming for the cable tie.
Wait!
Step forward.
Decapitated.
Decapitated. He's going to be decapitated in a minute. Yeah, you're good. You're good, Daddy.
Beauty's above your eye height.
No, as you are.
The focus is coming.
It's hey! Nicely done.
Totally destroyed by Dan.
Well done.
Thank you. Right, we're almost there. One last thing. One last thing. And I guess we're going to have a toast. A toast.
200
Do you need a pro to do that?
Yeah, do you need one?
Pro. Now, would it be complete sacrilege if
Yes, it would.
if I just hose you down? Woohoo! Sorry. Well, you know. Well, I guess my dad had his turn at that with the old Grand Prix wins. That's as close as I'm getting to it, you know. Winning 200 reviews.
I thought now you got it.
We did not discuss that.
We should have bought the Prosecco.
Told you.
Nice.
I'm going to smell like an alcoholic.
You get pulled over on the way home. Have you been drinking, sir? No. Now that's an idea.
We'll be climbing the rack and looking metal. Like.
Does that mean we've got an idea for 250 then?
Well,
He's going to fill this whole place
if you get
on a ball pit.
free, if we still 5-star, we get 300. Then yeah, I'm willing to go 300 for 300. 5-star.
20 false reviews from you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Who's not got one? Beckles. Yeah, cheers everyone. Well done. Thank you. Oh, cheers, 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 cheers. She's a pro. She's been gearing up towards holiday mode the last few days. So.
When it's a cheers, you've got to have eye
It's the
contact.
pinky as well, though.
When it's a cheers, you've got to have eye contact. It's just how it is to give them.
And it gets very funny the more drunk you get towards the end of the night because you're trying to cheers, you're not looking at your glass, like, bang, a swoosh and a swoosh.
Just swimming people. Yeah.
Well, thank you for joining in our celebrations. Thank you for all the feedback for everyone who give us the reviews. That's epic. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, well done, team. And let's keep going with the van security, trying to deliver the best stuff to you guys, give you the best news, and keep on doing a great job. So yeah, thanks for watching.